Are you ready?
Beautiful Filipinos in Las
Yeah.
Vegas! Mabuhay!
My God!
Now, live here at the Rio All Suite Hotel and Casino in Las Vegas, let our silver anniversary party begin with your favorite Star Magic idols: Kim Chiu, Zian Lim, Robbie Domingo, Raver Cruz, Sam Milby, and Piolo Pascual. This is Star Magic's 25th anniversary grand celebration.
I got this feeling inside my bones. It goes electric wavy when I turn it on. All through my city, all through my home, we're flying. And then I can see what you when you dance, dance, dance. A little good creeping up on you, so just dance, dance, dance. Come on, all those things I shouldn't do, but you dance, dance, dance. Yeah, ain't nobody leaving, so keep dancing. Sure, I fly so high, no ceiling when I'm in my zone. Cause I got that sunshine in my pocket, got that pizza in my Your love is not made for someone like me. Come on now, follow my lead. I may be crazy, don't mind me. Take you whole let go. Oh,
Thank you po.
ang lahat ng mga pangarap ko. Ikaw na nga ito. Pakisama ko. Picture.
Naiiwan mo sana kasi
Ikaw ay aking sa'kin. Di ko magagawa lumayo sa iyong piling. Ang nais kong malaman mo kung gaano kita kamahal.
Sino dito ang happy sa love life? Sino ang hindi happy sa love? Ay, si Lolo, hindi po ba kayo masaya sa buhay niyo po? Ano po? Alin po kayo dito? Ano po? Ulitin po.
Nakita.
Chinese po ba? Siya. Ano ba? Again. Happy po ba kayo?
Oh, happy ako kasi pangalawa nang makita kita. Noon sa Las Vegas downtown. Ito naman.
Hindi niyo po nalalaman ako po yung nawawala niyo pong anak. Pero puntahan ko po talaga kayo dito yearly.
Pwede ba magpatita?
Alitrato, ayaw niyo po bang marinig po yung golden voice ko? O sige, wag na lang. Pagkatapos ito, uwi na po ako.
Happy birthday, Kim Chiu.
Happy birthday!
Nice! Give it up for our Chilina princess.
Everyone, thank you so much sa lahat na nandito. Pero sa December pa po yung birthday ko.
Wow! Day. April
Ano ba yung
19.
exact birthday mo?
Sa 19 po yung birthday
April
ko.
19.
April 19. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat po sa lahat na nandito. Maraming salamat po. Thank you so much.
Kung may isang bagay na hihilingin ka pa, ano yun?
Happiness and
Happy-
contentment.
Gusto mo ng happiness?
Contentment.
Contentment? Tingin ka sa kaliwa mo.
Ito na nga ang happiness and contentment.
Wow! Oh my gosh!
Las Vegas, you're the best. Maraming salamat po. Thank you so much. I love you all.
Yes!
For if it's a day, a month, a year, gotta steal my crown, even raise her stones. If she changes her mind, this is the first place she goes. I'm all out of love. I know you were right, believing for so long.